Jnims Hospital da Anaba Laiyengba Khak Nattana Institute asidagi Afaba Maheiroi kaya Amasu Puthokpa Ngamle haina Manipuri Governor Kumar Bhalana Fongdokre Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jnims linkhatkibagi Taranipalak Suba Annual Foundation Day amadi Jnims Dental College linkhatkibagi Mapalak Suba Foundation Day gi thoram ngasi Jnims family na sinduna Jnims ki auditorium da pangthokre Foundation Day gi thoram aduda Manipur gi Governor Kumar Bhala Health and Family Welfare Commissioner cum Secretary Suman Singh Jnims के Director Professor L Usarani su Sarukyaki Amadi Thauramadu ki manung channa nongin haina mingthonba college magazine Amasu Fongkiba Galoinana Kumjali Singani Kunmari Kunmangada Pangthokiba MBBS Amadi BDS examination sing the mark Khwaidagi Wangna Fanglakraba Institute Rasigi Maheiroi Shingda Chambakudul Potpi Dunai Kai Kumnabotki Governor Kumar Bhalana Makataraduna Haukiba Chahi Singda Institute Asina Ana Laiyengba Miyamgi Seba Tauriba Asigi Mathakta Hai Singlaba Maheiroi Kaya Puthoktuna Lamdam Asigi Ana Laiyengba Mapangal Kankhat Hanbada Achoba Thokdang Lauri Institute Asina National Amadi State Ki Thakta Pangthokpa Health Program Sing Saruk Yaduna Matam gi oiba miyam gi yaifana balakpa analayeng gi khongthang singsu miyamda yohanduna leptana changsilakli institute asigi matung tarakpa matamda hena afaba Maheiroi kaya puthokpa khak nattana analayeng gi lamda hena khumang chawsinba amadi state asigi mingchat purakpa amadi miyam gi yaifana ba thabak sing torakpa oisanu haiki.
Over the past 18 years, Jnims has grown into a premier center of medical education and tertiary healthcare, playing a vital role in strengthening Manipur's healthcare system. Medical education, however, is not defined by academic excellence alone. It's a part of compassion, ethical values, and spirit of service. Medical profession carries a profound responsibility, as I said, the savior of human life and dignity. I'm encouraged to see that Jnims places strong emphasis on ethical practices, patient-centered care, and community service, thereby shaping healthcare professionals who combine competence with empathy. The role of a medical institution extends well beyond hospitals and classrooms. Research, innovation, preventive healthcare, and community outreach are essential in responding to emerging public health challenges. I am pleased to learn that Jnims has been actively engaged in national and state health programs.